I'm going to create a source file for one simple purpose. We'll pick it up from here next time. I'll give it a name. Okay. Oh, it's not an object. So the purpose of cin function is to get input from console. Cout is in console. Cin is also with respect to console. So I do hash include iostream. I'm not going to declare the namespace. I'll just go for a variable int a. Going to say enter a value for variable a. Now, if I wanted to put double quotes inside the double quotes that I already have, how would I do it? Can I simply, well, you have to escape it. So and that is going to show double quotes in the output. Hopefully, it should. And the next line, I'm going to specify std cin a. And all of that must be defined inside main. It's the most important part. The way to remember this, the direction of the arrows in cin and cout, it could be confusing. I often joke that, well, depending on whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you're probably going to confuse, because for some people, cout would make more sense if you used that. It's going out, right, and going in. For others, this would be very clear. If you're one of those people where in your mind, like, this is not making sense, like, who wrote this language, think about it this way. So whatever you have on the left over here is going out to console. And you see cout, think of console output. So that entire statement, whatever, is going out to cout. And whatever you have in console is going back in to a. Yes? Now, as I said, some can find the syntax to be straightforward. Some might question it. If you are one of those people who questions it, think about it the way I explained. Seems like everything is in place. Even if it isn't, we'll get an error. There's nothing wrong with that. So it says enter a value for variable a. The quotes show up as I expected. I just have to type in a number. I'm going to do 8. Damn it. Oh. Probably code runner thing. Okay. Yes. Again. Oh, code is already running. Okay. Stop code run. Close. It's probably a code runner issue. So the code runs, and in the console, in the terminal, it will wait for an input. I'm not able to input over here. It might be something related to code runner. I have to check this. But in practice, when you run a program, it is going to wait for an input. I'll do this next time using my terminal. Windows terminal would probably be PowerShell. It's probably different slightly compared to Linux terminal, but you can use Cygwin if you want, but that's complicating things. So where is it? So in Linux, if you want to switch, what? Oh, it's declared as CD. Okay. In Linux, you can simply do CD, which stands for change directory. So CD, directory location. In Windows, you can use CD as well. However, in Windows, this is not the way to give directory location. I believe it goes C:// and etc. So you'll have to look that up. It's been a while since. Huh? Backslash? Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Backslash, my bad. C:// and put the location in. So slightly different, but I'll show you how we can run it in a Linux machine. If you use W3 schools, it's not going to run. But regardless, this code runs and it's waiting on an input A. I'll show this to you next time.